Capsim Simulation Guide, Round 2, Top Result 999. Hello everyone, and welcome to this detailed video guide on how to win in the Capsim Capstone simulation. In this video, I will walk you through a proven strategy to help your team achieve top results, including scores as high as 999 out of 1000, starting from Round 1 and continuing through Round 2. Our focus will be on building strong fundamentals, managing your product portfolio, optimizing pricing, using smart R&AMP winking and laughing, balancing production and capacity, and strategically applying financial tools. If you're ready to lead your company to the top of the leaderboard, let's begin. Small Blue Diamond Part 1, General Strategy Overview. The Capsim Capstone simulation challenges your team to manage a company competing in a market for electronic sensors. Your goal is to outperform competitors in profit, market share, stock price, and other metrics. Most teams make one common mistake in the early rounds: they apply aggressive strategies without first understanding the customer buying criteria or production constraints. This often leads to negative profits in Round 1. Our approach is different. We aim to generate positive net profit as early as Round 1, while also setting up for long-term dominance. Small Blue Diamond Part 2, Product Strategy, Round 1. Let's begin with product strategy for Round 1. You will start with 5 existing sensors. Here's what to do. 1. Add a new product in the traditional segment. Launch it with a performance/size positioning of approximately 4.0/4.0, which is near the ideal spot. Plan to launch this product around June to maximize sales during the second half of the year. Slightly reduce the performance and size to lower R&AMP winking and laughing time if needed. 2. Reposition your existing products using R&AMP winking and laughing. Aim to move your products closer to the segment ideals, but not necessarily exactly on them, to avoid intense direct competition. You should especially improve products in traditional, low-end, and high-end segments. 3. Do not update the second product in the low-end segment just yet. We will update that in Round 2 to better align with customer preferences. Small Blue Diamond Part 3, Pricing, Promotion, and Sales Budget. Capsim customers care about price and awareness. So here are a few key points. 1. Set prices competitively, but avoid being the cheapest. For the low-end product, high price sensitivity, reduce your price slightly, even by 50 cents, to gain a competitive edge. For other segments, keep prices close to your competitors, not too low. 2. Set your promotion and sales budgets smartly. A good range is $1,600 to $2,000 per product for both promotion and sales. Avoid overspending in the first round, you can increase gradually. 3. Monitor your competitors' pricing carefully every round. If a competitor dumps prices, don't follow blindly. Instead, optimize your positioning and promo spending. Small Blue Diamond Part 4, R&AMP winking and laughing and launch timing. R&AMP winking and laughing is the key to long-term product success. Try to launch new products in June or July. That way, they contribute to sales in the current year but allow enough time for development. For high-end and performance segments, launch with better-than-average specs, even if that means they won't sell well in Round 1. These products will become strong profit drivers from Round 3 onward. Move your performance and size values toward the ideal spots, aiming for traditional, 30% closer each round. High-end, 50% improvement toward ideal. Remember, products don't need to be perfect immediately. Gradual improvement is more sustainable and profitable. Small Blue Diamond Part 5, Production and AMP, Inventory Management. Now let's move on to one of the most critical areas, production. 1. Accurate sales forecasting is vital. Use the courier reports from the previous round to estimate future demand. Adjust based on market growth, customer buying criteria, competitor actions. 2. Set production levels slightly above expected demand to avoid stockouts, but not too high. 10 to 20% buffer is enough. 3. Monitor inventory carefully. Carrying excess inventory adds cost and risk. If you're not selling out, reduce production next round. 4. Add production capacity early, especially for traditional and low-end products, which sell in high volume. Start with 250 to 500 additional units. 5. Use automation upgrades wisely. Increase automation gradually from 7.0 to 8.40 for low-end products. You may increase automation early to lower labor costs. Avoid automating too fast, you'll lose flexibility and need more investment upfront. Small Blue Diamond Part 6, Financial Strategy. Let's talk money. Your team starts with limited funds and access to external financing. Here's how to spend wisely. 1. Invest around $45 million in round 1. This can come from maxing out long-term debt. Issuing as much stock as possible. 2. Keep at least $25 million in cash as a cushion in case sales are lower than expected. 3. Avoid emergency loans, these will hurt your credit score and lower your stock price. 4. If you need funding for plant upgrades or R&amp winking and laughing, consider reducing dividend payments. Issuing stock instead of debt, only when stock price is strong. Small Blue Diamond Part 7, Round 2 Strategy Adjustments. By round 2, you should already have 1 or 2 new products launched, improved R&amp winking and laughing specs, upgraded automation and capacity. Now, follow these tips for round 2. 1. Update the low-end product if you didn't in round 1, this is the time to move it closer to ideal. 2. Focus on profitable segments, like traditional, low-end, high-end, for longer-term growth. 3. Aim for consistent net profit, even if it's small. A positive net income in rounds 1 and 2 sets the stage for large profits in rounds 4 to 8. 4. Try to avoid launching the same product specs as your competitors, diversify by tweaking performance and size slightly. Small Blue Diamond Part 8, Long-Term Strategy Outlook. As the game progresses into rounds 3 to 8, keep the following in mind. Keep launching new products in high-growth segments. Update all products regularly via R&amp winking and laughing to stay close to segment ideals. Add capacity early to prepare for increasing demand. Control costs through automation and smart marketing. By round 8, your company should have at least 8 products, operate with high efficiency, generate high stock price and profitability. Lead in customer awareness and accessibility in at least 2 to 3 segments. Small Blue Diamond Final Notes and AMP, Wrap Up. To summarize, White Heavy Checkmark. Add new products strategically starting in round 1. White Heavy Checkmark. Use price as a tool, especially in the low-end segment. White Heavy Checkmark. Invest in automation and capacity early, but don't overdo it. White Heavy Checkmark. Keep track of inventory, marketing ROI, and competitor actions. White Heavy Checkmark. Always check the courier report and compare yourself to the industry average. White Heavy Checkmark. Focus on net profit and long-term financial health, not just revenue. If you follow this roadmap carefully, your team can confidently score up to 999 points in Capsim Capstone, and more importantly, you'll understand how to run a business like a pro. Envelope with arrow. For more help, you can get free support for round 1 and round 2 by emailing bahelp2002@gmail.com Bluebook, or check our full guide at https://capsimguide2021.blogspot.com. Good luck, stay sharp, and go win Capsim. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success and high scores ahead.